In this course, I will use different brushes. And I will start with a 3D brush. It is a brush that adapts easily to various work materials. For example, it can be used in porcelain, acrylic paints and gel. Then, I continue with the brush with a very thin tip. It has the black casting and is exceptional when it comes to drawing fine lines and contours. Nevskaya 00. I use this brush when fine lines are not needed. Emi 50. This brush has a thin tip, but I only use it with the glitter gel. Jubliege 10-0. It is a thin top brush and usually use it with paint with colorful gel. Jubliege 50. This brush is useful when it takes long and straight lines to be drawn without interruption. In this course, I will also use a spatula, but also a makeup stick. Besides other basic gels, in this course I will also use these two gels from Emi. They are pigmented. After drying, it remains with a sticky layer, the one that helped me either to stick the foil like the black one or to apply glitter or pigments like the white gel. It's easy to work with compared to other regular gels. Gel painting decoration is done on the surface on a matte top or a glossy top. In this course, I will use gel for nail design from Emi, M-Pasta, range in different colors. It's extremely highly pigmented, non-cleansing, thick viscosity, painting gels for those with a passion for creating nail decoration. Does not flow, allows you to work with great precision, especially using the popular one move technique for thin lines and contouring. Gels can be stored and mixed in this palette. However, it's better to keep the gel in this lid box in order to protect it from lint and dust. In addition, as you notice, I have already put more shades of gel painting. This champagne color is mixture of this silver and gold. As I said, in the palette, we will mix, for example, purple with white for a lighter shade. In this course, I will use these neon pigments. Apply over a white colored gel, better out. These pigments I use with a makeup stick. In this course, I will use the glitter from the image. It's just some of the glitter used in this course. And I will start with the sand dust. It is white, semi-transparent. And when it sprinkles it, it takes the color of the base. I continue with the holographic powder. It's special for the hologram effect. And then with this very glittering red glitter. Next, I will present another very hollow glitter with a hologram effect. Then, with this semi-transparent fine glitter with blue tint. And the next, all transparent with the golden tint. And now, let's make the difference in granulation. In my left hand, I have a medium grain glitter, and in the right hand, a very small grain glitter. Actually, it looks like a powder. In this course, it's advisable to use very small grain glitter. Let me explain about the transfer foils. I'm telling you from my experience that not all the transfer foils are of good quality. Now I will show you what is the difference between them and what you should buy. So, I apply 2 coats of black gel, cured one at a time in the lamp, on this color palette. This gel is sticky. And I have 5 different foils, as you can see in the image. I will apply it first, this foil with stars. I press and continue to press and notice that nothing has cleared of the foil. I continue with the second as well with a strong push and also did not break away. I continue with the third one, the red one, and noticed that no matter how much I press, except you want to look like the model. I continue with the golden foil and notice how thin and light it is compared with others which are stiffer and do not curl the same. I apply on the color palette and I do not push hard. It is almost totally transparent. I continue with the silver one and last, just as light and thin. Apply on the black surface without too much pressure. I just want to cover a larger surface. So, in conclusion, the last two transfer foils are the best quality. I showed you this experiment because do not think you are wrong somewhere when you notice that the foil does not stick like you want. The last two foils are from Emi.